Alright, today I'm gonna replace the wheel bearing on this trailer. First thing you guys gotta do is jack it up. I'm gonna do it from here. Okay. I'm not gonna put any jack and stand because I'm not gonna go under the trailer anyway, so. Remove the tire. This one doesn't have the dust cover, but I got the new one over here. So I'm gonna put it on when I finish. Remove this cap. Here we go. Next, there's gonna be a cutter pin. And then there's gonna be a nut and a washer. Here's the nut and here is the washer. The wheel bearing. I'm gonna put it over here. It's a drum. I'm gonna use the trailer as a bench. If you guys don't have the seal removal tool, you guys can use a hammer. Here's the seal. Inner wheel bearing. Then I'm going to remove the races. There is one in the back, one in the front. For this, I'm going to use a chisel. To push it out, like that. It's out. I'm gonna do the one in the front. This is the one in the front. If you guys notice, the one in the back is bigger. Go ahead and clean the inside of the drum. I have the new one here. If you guys need it, I got it from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna find the one that goes through there, or the one that is this one. See, this side is the same than the bearing. So I'm gonna put the bearing there. I mean the race. Make sure that the rice is sitting all the way down, and then move to the front one. So since this one is smaller, I'm gonna use a smaller, which is gonna be this one. See, so the way in. Remember that the bigger bearing goes in the back, but repack it first. You guys can do it by hand, or there is some tools also. It helps to repack them. Once you finish repacking the bearing, put it in. Now we can put the seal. Same thing, use the seal driver. That should be good. Repack the front one or the outer, whatever you guys call this. Got it ready. I'm gonna put it on. This one is ready to put it back on the axle. Washer, nut. Okay. Here you guys need to be careful not to tight too much, but not too loose. Okay. Make sure one of those grooves align to the hole for the cotter pin, like that. Then you bend the cotter pin so the nut doesn't come off. Alright, this is the new cup that I'm gonna use. Some place.